We are here at the park having a good time with our new Flex Innovations Twin Otter G1.5. This is the second generation from the G1 previously that it had a different color scheme. The other one was the blue and white with yellow. In this one, we did several updates and upgrades to the airplane that we learned through the other generation one, things that we need to improve. Also, we listen to our customers, and of course, thanks to them, not only we improve our products, but also keep us on business, so which is very important. So thanks to the customers for all their support. And on the G1, I would say the biggest and the main upgrade we have are the new DUALSKY motors. The DUALSKY motors we have are the Eco 3520 510 kVs. They are turning the same propeller as before, which are a 14/7. We have a right and left rotation, and it's running on the same ESC as before, the Hobby Wings 60 amps. The DUALSKY as a brand, we all know how good those motors are. And there are no exception in this airframe. They just deliver an incredible power, beautiful sound, and just the quality is what we all want to see. So we are very pleased with that upgrade, and we're looking forward to you guys trying it, and you will experience the difference. Another upgrade we did that is important in the 1.5 is we resurface. It's not retooling, but it's we resurface our mold for the foam. As a result of that, we are getting a really good surface, much smoother, less of that popcorn. Keep in mind, we're still with the same weight as before, which is a very, very important part of any Flex Innovation aircraft. We want to keep them as light as possible. After a lot of work on this, believe me, not only us, on part of the factory and the vendor from the foam manufacturer, we achieved something that we always want, is to have good surface, good finish, and on top of that, keep the weight, making heavy foam with a good finish. I will not say it's easy, but it's possible with not much effort. But get this, we're pretty happy with the result. The other change we did, and it's obvious, is the trim scheme. The trim scheme it's beautiful. It's from Clint Sweat. Clint is doing a fantastic job for us, and but one of these things that we changed, as we changed in other airplanes, is we moved from paint to decal. The reason of that is we found over time, we have other airplanes, Flex airplanes with decal, and we found that the decal airplanes, over time, they just stay in a better shape. They just handle better all the, the transportation, taking the airplanes to the field, and the handling. They just stay pretty much as a brand new. Also, it handles very well the sun, and if one day you decide to change the color scheme, you can choose the other color that you see there in the background. We have the blue and the red. So you decide to change the colors, just pull the decals and put a new one, or do your own graphics. So that's another important upgrade we have on the airplane. That change brought solutions for as I was explaining, the finish, but also it stay light. The decals are very high quality decals that are light, and it has a sort of a not so bright or shiny finish. So when you look at it, you think it's paint. So we're pretty happy with our results. Another upgrade we did was in the cowling. The cowling, for the motor cowlings, we make the plastic thicker which it handle better, you know, just it's not so thin, and there is this white color now, so it's not gonna be affected by the sun. I think what happened on the first one, you know, this airplane is all about weight. The result that you see and performance you see with this airplane is all because of the weight, the lightweight. So we're trying to make everything as light as possible. That's why in the G1, the motor cowlings were so thin. We're really trying to make it really light, but also we learned that perhaps we went too far and make it too thin and cause some problems with the temperature and the sun exposure. Now we believe it's handling pretty good. So those are the, you know, the upgrades and the updates that the G1, the G1.5 has over the G1. And as far as the flying, the performance, everything stays the same. As far the order programming, the flight modes, everything stays the same. So it's the same great airplane with all these improvements. So we're pretty confident that this is an airplane that you will experience in all means, you know, as far the quality, as far the performance and the presence. So again, thanks everybody for the support on this project. A lot of the changes I explained and you will see are part of the feedback that we receive from you. So anyway, that's all I have for now, and thanks for watching.